friends, and today we are going to talk more about the Insta app again, and we will show you how to turn on or turn off the boomerang option for your stories on Instagram. Let's go to the watching. So if you know this option like boomerang, which was very popular before, if you are a real boomer, this video was useful and interesting for you, so it's really very easy to activate it right now. Let's tap on the Instagram app and I will show you how to add this feature for your stories. Let's swipe our home page, our For You page to the right side to activate the boomerang feature. As you can see, we have it here on the left sidebar. Let's tap on it and I will create a new video using this option. And as you can check, we have the new icon on the shooter button. That means that the boomerang feature is activated. So I will use this option, this key, and I will record a new video for my story. Let's tap on it. Yes. And as you can check, the boomerang mode is smoothly and successfully added for our video. We can use it without any troubles and it's very convenient to activate. So let's add our new story for our profile after clicking on the arrow here and tap on the share option. Done. So guys, I hope that this short tutorial was interesting and useful. Don't forget about likes if you like this boomerang mode. And also don't forget to check other tutorials on our channel to find out more tricks about the Instagram and other apps. Good luck!